Hello everyone, now we will wrap the trunk lid. Since this portion is very complex, we will apply the film with heavy lengthwise stretching. The key challenge is to wrap a deep recess in the lower part and a large surface at the top, which is heavily curved on its sides. In order to reduce the initial tag, we apply the soapy solution to all raised parts and edges. Also, it will prevent the adhesive layer overstretching. We start wrapping by heating up the film panel and stretching it along the lid with a firm, heavy tension. It will help us to apply the film onto the horizontal and vertical surfaces. After we have wrapped the main surface of the trunk lid, we start cutting off excess material and make relief cuts in places with high surface tension. After that, we will warm up the panel, secure it, and then proceed with the bending. Also, there is a high tension in the area of the brake light. In order to reduce it, we will make a small cut in the middle. Warm the film up to relax it, and after that we will wrap the film behind the edges. At the corner area, we will warm up the film, slightly pull it and place on the corner itself. With this, the wrapping of the trunk lid is complete. Now we can start assembling the car.